guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you Apple released the new iOS 18 beta version for all iPhone users. So guys, when I install iOS 18 on my iPhone shows iPhone stuck on preparing update. If your iPhone is stuck on preparing update during an update, try these steps to fix this issue. Number one is wait patiently. Sometimes the update process can take a while. Wait for at least 30 minutes to an hour before trying anything else. If not working, or if your iPhone is stuck on preparing update, restart your iPhone. Force restart your iPhone and fix your problem. Press the volume up button, volume down button, and press the power button until you see Apple logo appears on screen. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, wait 5 to 10 seconds. When your iPhone is completely rebooted, your problem is fixed. Install update again and fix your problem. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying the solution number 3. Solution number 3 is check for internet connectivity. Ensure your iPhone has a stable internet connection, Wi-Fi or cellular data. If you are using cellular data, simply make sure your data plan have available. If you are using Wi-Fi, simply connect your iPhone with strong or smooth and stable Wi-Fi connection and fix your problem. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying the solution number 4. Solution number 4 is delete, update and retry. Go to the settings app and little bit tap on general, little bit scroll up, tap on iPhone storage, little bit again scroll up, delete, update and reinstall again. Delete the update from iPhone and retry again and fix your problem. If solution number 5 is not working, applying the solution number 6. Solution number 6 is reset all settings. Tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings and fix your problem. If all solutions are not working, simply make sure Apple ID is working properly. Sign out Apple ID and sign back in. Tap on this, tap on Apple ID, sign out, sign back in and fix your problem. If none of the steps works on your iPhone, contact Apple support for further assistance and fix your problem. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix iPhone stuck on preparing update during an update. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.